This is René the Parrot, and he's about to make his 2014 Oscar picks. René, even though he can talk, won't speak the name of the picture or the person, but he will choose a sunflower seed that has the name of his vote. Here is best picture. Pick a seed. Pick a seed, please. And he picked American Hustle. Okay, we have to speed the rest of this up. Best Director, Alfonso Cuarón for Gravity. Best Actor, Chiwetel Ejiofor, 12 Years a Slave. Best Actress, I know you haven't seen all the films. Hey, let's try this again for Best Actress. Choose a Best Actress. Come on. Choose one. Choose one. Sandra Bullock, Gravity. Best Supporting Actor, Bradley Cooper, American Hustle. Best Supporting Actress, June Squibb, Nebraska. Oh, Best Animated Feature Film, The Croods. Best Foreign Film. Ready? Ooh, he's eager. The Great Beauty from Italy. Best Screenplay. Choose Best Screenplay. Dallas Buyers Club. Best Adapted Screenplay. Philomena. Ugh. Best Costume Design. The Invisible Woman. Best Original Song. Oh, the Moon Song from Her. Best Original Score. Alexandra Desplat. Best Documentary. Please choose one. Choose one. The Square. Best Documentary Short. Take your pick. Prison Terminal, The Last Days of Private Jack Hall. Best Makeup and Hairstyling. Jackass presents Bad Grandpa. Best Production Design. What do you think, huh? American Hustle. Best Film Editing. What do you think? Well, I guess Dallas Buyers Club. Ready for Best Cinematography? Choose one. All right. Oh, Nebraska. Renee, I hated that movie. Best Sound Editing. Choose one, please. Lone Survivor. Best Sound Mixing. Choose one. Lone Survivor again. Best Visual Effects. Choose one, please. Iron Man 3. Best Animated Short. Best Animated Short. Feral. Best Short Film Live Action. Aquel no era yo. And there you have it. René's Oscar picks for 2014.